Hello and welcome back to the Understanding Mangrove series. I'm Zetty and today I'm here to talk to you about TC1165. This product here is part of our EcoMix Super Concentrates range and is accredited to the climate accreditation, which you can see on the front label here. So this product kills smells and malodours and leaves behind a fresh floral scent after use. It's suitable for use on all water washable surfaces, as well as being able to use on things like touch points, tables and chairs. We also use it to disinfect floors, and this is perfect for areas such as offices, schools, hospitals, canteens, as well as other facilities. TC1165 is accredited to the EN standard BS EN 1276, which means it kills a wide range of bacteria, including E. coli and the food poisoning bacteria. This formulation also includes a broad spectrum quaternary biocide within the formulation. To use this product, this can be applied via a mop, cloth and spray method, and you simply apply, wipe the surface and leave to dry. Now let's see how we dose this product.
To use an EcoMix Super Concentrate, remove the cap carefully in a push and twist motion. Squeeze the container gently to allow the chemical to rise up through the tube and fill the reservoir. Release the bottle and allow the liquid in the chamber to settle. This is now an accurate 10 ml dose of Super Concentrate. To use this in a trigger spray, fill the trigger spray with water first, then add one 10 ml dose of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate. Replace your trigger head securely. Then rotate the bottle twice to ensure that the solution is mixed. To create 5 litres of solution, fill a bucket with 5 litres of water first. Then take your EcoMix and add 2 10 ml doses of your chosen EcoMix Super Concentrate to the bucket.
Scan the QR code on this product or head to www.clenasupplies.co.uk for more information. There is also access on the website to specification sheets, safety data specifications, bug kill rates and chemical safety assessments where it applies to products. If you have any other questions, please reach out to the team. Thank you.